Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make some homemade pizza on a pan. No oven, no yeast, and no cooker is required. The ingredients are also very accessible. It is so delicious and super easy to make. You probably have all the ingredients in your kitchen right now. So let's start making. We'll start with 150 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 80 grams of unsweetened yogurt mixed with 15 milliliters of water in the bowl. Next, I'll add a pinch of salt and half teaspoon of baking powder into the dough. Then just start mixing. I am mixing with a spoon first and then start using my hands to knead. Kneading is really easy, even if it doesn't look so. It only takes 3 to 5 minutes for the dough to be silky smooth. You want to knead a soft dough, so just add more water if required. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. I am using olive oil, but you can use any cooking oil. You can just knead until the dough has absorbed all of the liquids. There won't be any clumps, and it won't be sticky anymore. Next, I'll add more cooking oil into a pan and coat it evenly. Remember to use non-stick pans. After that, I'll take the dough from earlier and put it in the pan, flattening it in the process. This will be a thin crust pizza since pans do not work similarly compared to ovens. If the crust is too thick, it won't cook and you'll get sick. I am poking hole in the dough with a fork so it cooks evenly. Now turn on the stove on low heat. I'll start cooking one side first for 7 to 10 minutes. The amount of time greatly depends on your stove though, just as long as the surface is cooked. Flip the pizza and then turn off the stove. We can start customizing our pizza with toppings now. Of course, the first layer is a thin layer of tomato sauce. If you want more, add more. Spread the sauce evenly on the dough. Next is the generous amount of classic mozzarella layer. But don't overdose on cheese or else it'll melt and spill out and get underneath the crust. Next is a bit of tomatoes, bell peppers and corn. A little bit of sausages never hurts nobody. But you can add any toppings you want. I'm not holding you a gunpoint to follow me to the T. Not now, at least. Now close off the lid and continue cooking it on low heat for 7 to 10 minutes. When the pizza is done, the cheese on the pizza will also have melted and bubbled just like ones from the oven. Look at that evenly melted cheese. It already smelt so good while cooking makes my mouth water and all. It's time to take it off the heat. Now all you have to do is cut it up and serve. The cheese has melted on the pizza beautifully, and the crust is fully cooked now. I have taken it off the heat. Look how perfect it looks. I added some mixed herbs on top for extra flavor. The outside crust is crispy to perfection, but the insides are nice and soft. The combination of cheese, tomatoes, and the toppings are to die for. But I need not describe to you how good pizzas are. It's super easy to make, so you can show off your non-existent cooking skills to your family. But don't forget to like and share this video. And let me know in the comments what should I make next. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to channel for more such recipes.